Hey there, future aviators. Today, we are discussing an exciting career path, how to become a pilot in India. Whether you dream of flying high in the skies or just want to know more about the process, this video is for you. Let's get started. Eligibility criteria. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. To become a pilot in India, you need to meet certain requirements. You must be at least 17 years old to begin pilot training. You must have passed class 12 with physics and mathematics. You need to pass a class 2 medical test by a Directorate General of Civil Aviation approved doctor. Once you start training, you'll need to clear the class 1 medical test as well. Choosing a flight school. Choosing the right flight school. This is a crucial step in your journey to becoming a pilot. Here are some tips to help you make the best choice. Accreditation. Ensure the flight school is approved by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. Facilities. Check if the school has modern training aircraft and simulators. Instructors. Look for experienced and certified flight instructors. Cost. Consider the training fees and other expenses. Pilot training can be costly, so plan your finances accordingly. Top Pilot Training School. India has several top-notch pilot training schools. Here are a few of the best ones. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy, Madhya Pradesh Flying Club, National Flying Training Institute, the Bombay Flying Club, Ahmedabad Aviation and Aeronautics Limited. Types of pilot licenses. The different types of pilot licenses you can aim for. Student pilot license. This is the initial license you need to start your training. You can obtain it after completing a few hours of flight training and passing a written exam. Private pilot license. With APPL, you can fly as a hobby or for personal travel. You'll need at least 40 hours of flight time, including solo flights and cross-country flying. Commercial pilot license. This is the license you need to fly commercially. It requires a minimum of 200 hours of flight time, ground training, and passing various written and practical exams. You can be paid for your services and work as a pilot for airlines, cargo companies, and other commercial operations. Airline Transport Pilot License. The ATPL is the highest level of pilot certification and is required to be a captain of a commercial airliner. You must have experience in multi-engine aircraft and instrument flying. You need to pass advanced theoretical exams and a rigorous flight test. You can serve as the pilot in command of large commercial aircraft and take on senior roles in airlines. Instrument rating. The IR allows you to fly in a variety of weather conditions by relying on instruments. Additional flight training focused on instrument flying, including passing a flight test. You can fly in low visibility conditions and navigate using only instruments. Job opportunities and career path. Once you've earned your CPL, here are some career options for you. Airline pilot. Work with commercial airlines and fly passengers across the globe. Major airlines like Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet, Vistara, and international airlines. Cargo pilot. Transport goods and cargo for logistics companies. Companies like Blue Dart Aviation, FedEx, UPS, and DHL. Flight instructor. Train and mentor aspiring pilots in flight schools. Gain experience as an instructor and advance to chief flight instructor or head of training. Corporate pilot. Fly private jets for businesses and VIP clients. Opportunities to work in corporate flight departments, charter companies, and private jet operators. Air ambulance pilot. Fly medical evacuation flights to transport patients and medical personnel. Specialize in air medical operations and take on supervisory or training roles. Military pilot. Serve as a pilot in the Indian Air Force, Navy or Army. Start as a trainee pilot and progress through various ranks and roles within the military. Candidates who don't want to fly for commercial sectors can simply join the governmental flying sector of the Indian Air Force. Are pathways to become a pilot in the Indian Air Force, each with its own eligibility and selection process. I'll discuss in detail in the next video. Hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more career tips and insights. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for giving your valuable time.